Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Make.com, formerly known as Integromat, empowers users to construct intricate web automation workflows through a user-friendly, visual interface. Think of it as a digital conductor orchestrating the harmonious interplay of your favorite apps and online services. This platform excels at streamlining repetitive tasks, liberating you from mundane digital chores. With Make, you can seamlessly connect various applications, transferring data and triggering actions automatically. Whether it's updating spreadsheets, sending emails, managing social media, or processing orders, Make can handle it all and more. Its vast library of pre-built integrations covers a wide spectrum of popular services, simplifying the process of connecting your digital toolkit. One of Make's standout features is its visual workflow builder. This drag-and-drop interface allows you to design complex automation sequences with remarkable ease. You can visualize the flow of data and actions, ensuring everything works precisely as intended. This intuitive approach makes automation accessible even to those without coding expertise. Furthermore, Make offers a high degree of customization. You can fine-tune every aspect of your workflows, tailoring them to your specific needs and preferences. From data formatting to conditional logic, the platform provides the granular control necessary for crafting sophisticated automation solutions. Make caters to both individuals and businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a freelancer looking to optimize personal productivity or a large enterprise seeking to streamline complex business processes, Make offers a scalable solution. Its robust features and flexible pricing plans make it a versatile choice for a wide range of automation needs. Explore the possibilities of a truly interconnected digital world with Make.com. Transform the way you work by automating the tedious and focusing on what truly matters. Say goodbye to manual data entry, repetitive clicks, and countless hours wasted on mundane tasks. Embrace the power of automation and unlock new levels of efficiency and productivity. Make your digital life work for you.